Sirat, what does it means? Do you know what does it means? We listen this word many times, but we don't know its actual meaning. Sirat is inner beauty and high appreciation. Siratul Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is known as the actions of the Prophet according to teaching of the Islam. It contains history, events, worship, prayers, events of the last messenger of the Allah. It has been narrated Hazrat Aisha Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha. Hazrat Aisha Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha that the chapter of the Messenger of Allah is the Quran. Now I will tell you what the Holy Quran appreciation says of the Holy Prophet. لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة من كان يرجع الله وذكر الله واليوم الآخر وذكر الله كثيرا. There has certainly been for you in the messenger of the Allah in the an excellent pattern for everyone who is humble in the Allah last day and remember Allah often. Now complete my topic. Thank you for listening to me.